Example 1. After a frog jumped 128 centimeters, each subsequent jump was 3/4 of the length of the previous jump. Find the limit of the total distance covered. Solution. Let us write down the first few terms of the sequence. In the first jump, the frog covered 128 centimeters. In the second jump, it covered 3/4 times 128, that is 96 centimeters. Similarly, in the third jump, it would cover 3/4 times 96, equals 72 centimeters. If this process continues, these distances would form an infinite geometric series. Here, r equals 3/4. Since r is lesser than 1, the series would converge. The first term of this series is 128, and the common ratio is 3/4. So to calculate the limit of the distance covered by the frog, let us apply the formula for an infinite series. S infinity equals a over 1 minus r. Substituting the values, we get S infinity equals 512 centimeters. Hence the total distance covered by the frog will be 512 centimeters.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.